Hey, what's up guys? David here from SiteMonkey. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a free business email. Believe it or not, this is actually possible. All right, let's dive right into it. All right, so if you're a freelancer, you're a small business, you have a domain name already, and you want to send professional looking emails from your domain instead of using from something like a Gmail or Outlook, you can actually do that without spending the $6 per user per month that is required from Google Workspace. So let me show you quickly how I'm doing it. Okay, this is going to be possible using a combination of email forwarding from your web hosting service provider or from your domain registrar, and also using a little trick that people don't know about from Gmail, okay, using Gmail SMTP credentials. So I'm going to show you quickly here. You can see we have SiteMonkey here. All right, we provide reliable website and server support anytime you need it. And currently we have this email here, which is support@sitemonkey.com. And I'm going to show you exactly how I set this up. All right, so let me just show you quickly how it is working. Okay, so this is my, let's say this is just one of my Gmail accounts here. And I'm going to send an email to support@sitemonkey.com. All right. I'm just going to say hello, testing, free corporate email, something like that, right? So I'm going to send here. You can see it has been sent to support@sitemonkey.com. Awesome. So I've set it up with a Gmail account, and this is hatari@gmail.com. This is just my normal Gmail account here, hataricloud@gmail.com. And unfortunately, it goes to spam, but we can see it here that this is an email that's just come to support@sitemonkey.com. So I'm just going to click on report not spam. Then I can view it in the regular inbox. All right. So even when I reply, I actually choose, I can choose to reply from Hatari@gmail, my regular Gmail account, but that's not what you want to do. Instead, you want to select your corporate email here, which is, for my case, support@gmail.com. And this is how I reply to the user, okay? Received email. So I'm going to send, and we are going to go back here to Oduka Store here and see, all right, and you can see here I have received a response from support@sitemonkey.com. It's not from Gmail, it is actually from sitemonkey.com. So this is what I want to show you. I'm going to show you exactly how I did this and how you can also do it. It's completely free. Instead of paying that $6 per user per month, you can actually use this trick, which involves email forwarding and Gmail SMTP credentials. So let's dive into it. Okay, so this is my name.com. Okay, this is name.com here. And name.com supports email forwarding for free. It's the same thing across most popular registrars. They actually support email forwarding. Even hosting providers actually do support email forwarding if your domain is hosted at your hosting provider. All right, so let's just sign in here. Okay, right. Okay, I'm going to go to my domains. Remember, the domain we're talking about is sitemonkey.com. So I'm going to find it here, right here. Okay, I have to make sure that the name servers are configured to name.com name servers. All right, so as you can see here, these are name.com name servers. So what you want to do is to click on email forwarding right here. Okay, so this is now where you can add multiple emails that you wish to forward to. Okay, so for my case here, I have support@sitemonkey.com, and I want it forwarded to hataricloud@gmail.com. Right. Then I can even put as many as I want. Let's say info@sitemonkey.com, and I'm going to forward it to hataricloud@gmail.com. Right. There you go. So you need to have two fields here. Your corporate email, all right, and then where you want it to be forwarded to. In this case, it should be a regular Gmail account, right? So we have info@sitemonkey.com is going to be forwarded to hataricloud@gmail.com. So what is happening at the background is that my domain now has name.com MX records. It means that every email that comes to at my domain is going to hit name.com mail servers, which are then going to forward those emails to Gmail. So to prove that, when you actually come to manage DNS records here, you should be able to see that the MX records actually point to name.com MX mail servers right here. Okay, so we can see that already set up. So this is very, very easy. Okay, so for those people who just want to forward emails, all right, that just come, anything that comes at your domain and just want to forward it to your regular Gmail, that is perfectly fine. This is all that you need. But now when I need to reply, all right, when I come to when I receive an email at my regular Gmail and I need to reply as my business email, then there we need to add Gmail SMTP credentials. So this is a little tricky because now we're going to be using Gmail's SMTP servers, all right, to actually now send our emails. So this is slightly tricky right here. So I'm going to show you exactly how you do it. So at your regular Gmail account, what you want to do here is now come to settings. Okay, let's tap on settings, tap on see all settings here. All right, then come to account and import right here. Okay, then down here where it says send email as, it says use Gmail to send from your other email addresses. All right, tap on add another email address right here. Okay, yes, so this is where you're going to actually set up those SMTP credentials. And for what I already did, you can see that for emails forwarded to support@sitemonkey.com, all right, the mail is sent through smtp.gmail.com, okay, and the connection is secured using TLS. So this is completely secure. All right, so how is this possible? This is possible using Gmail SMTP credentials, which I'm going to show you how you can do that. All right, yes, so tap on add another email address here. Okay, so I'm going to say info SiteMonkey right here. Okay, and this is going to be info@sitemonkey.com. Remember, I already set up for support@sitemonkey.com, so I'm going to skip this. Okay, I'm going to now use info@sitemonkey.com for purposes of this demonstration. So click on next step here. All right, yeah, so here you have the option. It says send email through your SMTP server. It says configure your mail to be sent through sitemonkey.com's SMTP server. And as I explained earlier, since name.com is actually forwarding my emails, then I'm using name.com's MX servers right here. And actually Gmail has already recognized that and it has pre-filled it. Okay, but I'm not going to use this. I'm actually just going to use Gmail's SMTP servers here for this demonstration. Okay, yes, okay, so here I should put smtp.gmail.com. okay, and here I'm going to have to use Hatari Cloud, which is my email.com. okay, now the password is the tricky part. You will have to get the app password. All right, this is the tricky part actually about this setup. You'll have to get the app password. So how do you get the app password? So what you have to do first and foremost is you're going to have to enable two-factor authentication. At least that's what I did. And then after you enable two-factor authentication, I'm going to show you a URL where you can actually get app password directly, or you can just Google it. Google app password here for SMTP. Yes, so this is something you're going to have to generate, right? Yes, so app passwords help you to sign into your Google account on older apps and services that don't support modern security standards. And I think in this case, they're referring to the new security keys, right? Yeah, so simply here, where it says app name, you can put something like mail, all right? And then you create this password here, right? So I already created one, okay? I already created one, but let's just do that again. Now, just take note of this password here, copy it and save it somewhere. And now go back to the SMTP, this window here, okay? And then now paste that password right here, okay? And then say add account. And you can see here it says, congratulations, we have successfully located your other server and verified your credentials. So just one more step, an email with a confirmation link has been sent to info@sitemonkey.com. Now remember, info@sitemonkey.com actually is forwarded to hataricloud@gmail.com. So I have to go back to Hatari Cloud here, right, to my inbox, and then get that confirmation, which is this. So just click on that confirmation link to confirm the request. And there you go. Please confirm sending mail as info@sitemonkey.com. So I'm just going to click on confirm. Right. So the Gmail user may now send mail as at info@sitemonkey.com. So when I get back here, all right, to my inbox, from the from field, all right, we have hataricloud@gmail.com, but now I have the option of actually selecting info@sitemonkey.com or the email that I earlier added, which is support@sitemonkey.com. So now if I selected info@sitemonkey.com, I'm just going to send this to odukastore@gmail.com. Say hi from info@sitemonkey. Okay. So let's send that real quick. Exactly. So the email is right here. Now it has hit my inbox here. Okay. And now here is the magic. So when I hit reply, it actually goes to my corporate email, which is info@sitemonkey.com. So email received, and I hit send. Okay. Right. So I come back to my regular Gmail account. Okay. My Gmail inbox here, which is Hatari@cloud, which shares the same inbox as SiteMonkey. And indeed, we have the email here, right? I've not paid a dime for this at all. This is all completely free. The alternative is now I should be paying 6 times $2, which is $12 for these two emails, info@sitemonkey.com and support@sitemonkey.com. But I've not paid a dime for it. Why? Because I've taken advantage of the email forwarding feature provided by my domain registrar, okay, and the Gmail SMTP feature that I've just showed you, okay? And also here at SiteMonkey, we provide technical support for websites, servers, and hosting, and things like email configuration and Linux VPS issues. So if you have an issue with this setup and you want hands-on help with this, I'm giving this out free for the first 5 people who actually contact me. Go to sitemonkey.com here, and then just click on get expert help. It will bring you to this form here. All right, just fill it in, your name, email, and the issue, and then submit. I'll be able to receive that. So this offer is going to the first 5 people who probably may find challenges setting this up. This is completely free for the first 5 people. After that, I'll be charging $50 one-time fee to just set this up. All right, yeah. So I mean, $50 could really save you a lot of money, right? For 2 emails, I was going to pay $12 a month and about $120 a year, but I'm going to charge you $50, and this is going to be free. The only thing you have to pay for is your domain, which is like now I guess $17 per year, right? Yes. So this is how you can actually set up a free business email address for free. If you get stuck, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.